This will be tutorial and instructional video that provides a step-by-step guide on how to install and set up Python on a Windows 11 operating system. So let's click on the Windows Home icon or the search bar and type Store. From the results, let's click on Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store will now be open. So in the search bar, let's write Python and hit enter. We say that we have many Python versions there, so we'll choose the highest version we see. In this case, Python 3.11. From the page that welcome us, we click on Get. A download process will start and the quick installation afterwards. When the installation is finished, we can close the current window. To test if Python installs successfully, we can click again on the Windows Home icon or the search bar and type cmd and hit enter. A command line window will be open. We can then type Python and enter to enter the Python bash. We can then try to write small code that will assure us that Python is installed correctly. Let's type print, "Hey, I'm here," and press enter. If what we put in their barricades will be shown like here, we have success. That's it. You now know how to install Python on Windows 11 in the simplest way. For more tutorial like this, please hit subscribe. Check it out down in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll have an intriguing information there. If you want me to make more movies about something that interests you, please write that in the comments.